Greg, thank you for being with us.
Lori, it's good to be here.
The paperwork filed just yesterday claims TikTok relies on, quote, addictive features that keep users, and we're talking about kids, glued to its platform, which in turn can hurt their mental health. And a lot of people are asking, how can you actually prove that?
Well, under the Tennessee Consumer Protection Act, Attorney General Scometti 2 years ago filed a petition in Chancery Court in Davidson County. He was joined by 46 other attorney generals to investigate TikTok. And the issue is whether they are violating the Tennessee Consumer Protection Act by engaging in a deceptive or harmful trade practice, and this one without a warning. And that is simply this, that the algorithm is targeted on children, and it is addictive, that it gets their neurosynapses and the dopamine's going, and they can't put the phone down. There are specific things that they've put in the app, unlimited scrolling,
that
filters,
autoplay feature.
Filters, it'll buzz, but things that are targeting a certain age group. And it's interesting, under the Public Records Act, under the Tennessee Consumer Protection Act, the power. And Scometti has asked for the text messages between TikTok executives, their metadata, their emails, all relevant documents, a ton of stuff, and he says they're stonewalling, and that's why the motion was filed in the Chancery Court yesterday.
Just this week, and TikTok came out with a statement saying, hey, we have robust safeguards, and Scometti's saying, well, hold on just a minute, I want proof of that. And here's something else. It's specifically talking about TikTok's popular challenges. Parents, you may have heard of these, that promote dangerous behaviors that the attorneys general say have caused injuries and in some cases even death.
Right, and they say the addictive power of this app is just overwhelming in light of the fact that it targets certain vulnerable age groups, and they think it's a big part of the mental health crisis for teens in the state of Tennessee. But Lori, where do you draw the line if creating a social media app, program, etc., becomes addictive? You kind of go back in Scotland when golf was invented, they wanted to outlaw it because no one worked. Now, fast forward, TikTok,
Question is, where are the parents?
Where are the parents? Yeah. And it's really easy to delete the app. It's really easy to turn the phone off. It doesn't take 47 attorney generals and millions of dollars and a war with one of China's biggest corporations. And how many times have we said this? Parents, just parent, turn the phone off.
Do you have the app?
I don't.
I deleted it. Okay, there we go.
There we go.
We'll see what happens next. Thank you, Greg.
Thank you, Lori and Greg. If you have a legal question, you can send it to AskIsaacs@WATE.com. Remember, we talk with Greg every Wednesday about legal matters at 5:30 right here on Channel 6. For a deeper conversation, you can also tune in to WATE.com at 2:30.